Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to my channel. Hold up. I just realized that as you guys are watching this, it's my birthday! Alright, so enough of that. In front of me, I have some brand new makeup. I have the Iluvsarahii x Colourpop collab. This packaging is so gorgeous. I'm debating on if I want to throw it away or not. Which, like, girl, just throw it away. What you gonna do with it? I just have the eyeshadow palette from the collection that just released, I think Thursday or Friday. I don't know. It released last week sometime. And I just love the layout and the shadows in this palette. So in today's video, I'm going to be demoing a look for you, as well as giving you guys some live swatches of some of the shades. So make sure you keep watching if you want to see that. Okay, so here's the palette, y'all. This feels hella expensive. I'm talking about like at least $40 just by the weight of it. This feels like it's worth more than $23 off the bat. It just says through my eyes, and it has a mirror. That's probably why it feels a little bit heavier than the other Colourpop eyeshadow palettes, because you are blessed with a mirror with this one. It reminds me a lot of the Makeup Shayla, what's it called, Perception palette layout. It's the same size mirror and I think the same amount of shadows, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, you get 16 shadows and it's just like absolutely beautiful. I love how the shadows are placed in the palette. Like if you look at the quads, each one is a look with a W and a K and an exclamation mark. So here you have one and here you have another one. But not only that, vertically you can create some cute looks using those four going down. It makes it super easy for a beginner who's just starting out and doesn't know how to put shadows together. This would be definitely for you. So I'm going to zoom you guys right on in. So first I'm going to start off with my MAC 217 brush and go into the shade Misbehave. I'm on my worst behavior. And I'm just going to be placing that in the crease. I'm going to pretty much pack it on and then blend a little bit. Oh, she's pigmented. Yes. I'm also putting that pink shade in the outer corner and inner corner of my eye as well, just to create that halo look. Now taking this Morphe M535 brush, I'm going to go into the shade Nostalgia. I'm going to be using this pink shade to blend out the edges of the other pink shade. Next, I'm going in with the Morphe M431 pencil brush, and I'm going to dip into the shade Moody, which is that blue shade right here. I'm going to take that shade, put it in the crease as well as the outer and inner corner of my eyes, and I'm going to just be creating that halo effect again. I'm using a pencil brush at first, but then I'm going to go in with my Morphe M506 brush just to blend it out. Using this same Morphe M506, I'm going to go back into Misbehave just because I lost a little bit of it and put it in the crease. To blend this all together, you just want to take a clean blending brush and blend where the edges of the blue and the pink meet. I'm going to be doing this with my Morphe M503 brush. Okay, so now it's time to do the treacherous job of cutting the crease. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to be using a concealer brush, maybe from Morphe, and then my Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Butterscotch, I think. Alright, I think that's about as even as I'm gonna get this little middle halo part. I always just do too much. Like, you're doing too much. So next I'm going in with this Dose of Colors little brush that I got in the Snow Angels palette. I'm gonna go back into Misbehave, this pink shade right here. And I'm just going to push that into the outer and inner corner of where I cut the crease. Now I'm going to take my 217 from MAC and just blend it. Okay, so where I left it blank, I'm going to go in with the shade Nocturne, which is this shimmery pink shade, and I'm going to place that into the center. Okay, y'all, so I did not expect the shade Nocturne to be the color that it is. It reads a little more red on my eyes. Once I put on the lash, it'll all come together. I do want to go back in with the pencil brush and put Moody on the lower lash line and then blend it out with Misbehave. I'm going to add this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Perversion to my lower lash line. And now off camera, I'm going to pop on some liner, the Ardell Wispy Lash, as well as some mascara, and then I will be back. Okay, so here I am. I'm back with the full shebang on. And y'all, I'm not even going to lie. This is not the look that I was going for. Like, I don't even know how I got here. I guess the blues and the pinks mixed and made purple, but it's okay. It's okay. I still look cute, and I really am digging the Through My Eyes palette from the Iluvsarahii X Colourpop collection. I think for the price, it is really a bomb palette. It comes with a mirror, some really cute shades. I'm going to play with this palette a little bit more on my channel. But yeah, for now, I'm really loving it. So now let's go ahead and get into some swatches. I'm going to start with the first row, which is this row right here, and then work my way up. So the first shade is Lucido. Or Lucido, I don't know. Then we have Wild Soul. Then we have Mesmerize. That's a pretty shade. Then we have Sandalwood. That's the first row. We have In a Wink. Euphoric. Camilla, and Lomo, L-O-M-O. Third row, we have Emerald Dream. We have Muse, or Moose, I don't know. Divina. That was pretty. And Flex. The last row is the row that I use. Nostalgia is the first shade. Moody. Nocturne. And Misbehave. So you guys, this is all that I have for this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and you have that notification bell smashed so that you can be updated each and every time that I post a video. Also, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below how you feel about this collection. So far, so good. I'm loving this eyeshadow palette. Like I said, I will be playing with it a little bit more here on my channel. So make sure you're subscribed so that you can see other looks with this palette. And with that, guys, I will see you all in the next video.